So we got a passenger door. Hey everyone, it's Rob with Heartland Rogue again. So today we are super excited. We finally got our first sponsor. They've sent us one of their best products to put on the side of the Jeep. We're really excited about this product because it's going to allow us to protect the Jeep even more and show off Heartland Rogue. So today we just got these, they actually overnighted this for us so that we can have all of these for a big event tomorrow. So I want to unbox this and reveal our first sponsor and our new representation of Heartland Rogue on the side of the Jeep. We now have a sponsor with Mek Magnet. We want to just thank these guys so much. We're super excited to be able to just showcase what they're capable of, what their new body armor can do and how it can protect your Jeep, but also give you a custom feel. So there is some major differences within Mek Magnet's custom body armor Jeep panel magnets, and I want to go over some of that, but for now I want to just look at what all they sent me. So really excited about this. Really appreciate these guys, and really just can't say how thankful we are for them stepping up and just believing in Heartland Rogue and what we're going to be capable of doing. So again, thank you. Alright, so we got a passenger door.
When installing the Mek Magnet system, the most important part is that the Jeep is completely clean and wiped down. I use a wet cloth to ensure any dust is off and then go back with a dry towel. Also, I clean the back sides of the magnets to ensure there is no dust on them as well. This step is very important for them to stick, as well as it is also important to make sure that they do not scratch the paint. After all, the point is to keep the paint from being scratched. The magnets go on very easy, but are kind of difficult to move. You have to take part of the magnet off the Jeep so you can move it around. Now that I've done this 3 or 4 times, it's quite simple and easy. However, when installing them, the most important thing to notice and look out for are the hinges of the doors. Make sure that you're not putting the magnet on top of them, as it could cause air to flow under the magnet, which would rip them off at highway speeds. We have driven with these on the highway multiple times at 75 to 80 miles per hour. We have had not a single problem of any kind with them driving at highway speeds. Also on the trail, when we have rubbed the tree, they do not move at all. Overall, we are super pleased with these Mek Magnets. The major difference with Mek Magnet has been the customization. We get a lot of really good looks and people wanting to check out our wrap of our Jeep, and they're super surprised whenever we show them that it's actually just a magnet body armor set that has been completely custom. Also with Mek Magnet, they have some pretty cool pre-designed armor, or if you want to have them customize a set, they would be glad to.
There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past what is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing off our balance? We're trying to find ourselves without the defining words. We can no longer hold on to what only makes us hurt. We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something greater than ourselves that we must reach for.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching. We've been really excited to represent our Mek Magnet body armor. We're really excited about what they're doing over at Mek Magnet, and just if you want to check them out, the link to their website is below in the description. If you like what we're doing here at Heartland Rogue, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you've got some comments, we'd love to hear and see what you got to say. Thanks again.